Hello, we are Team Resistance and this is our code for the final project. At the very start, the car tries to detect if there is a complete white strip, and once it detects it goes to startup state, and then it moves forward for a little while, and then it goes on to the forward state. The forward state basically handles all the code of the white line following. It basically uses a PID control, and here are some conditions on which it turns right or left based on which sensors are detecting white. And in the right, it turns up till it senses that the excessive white detected has gone, and then it moves back to the forward state. This happens until all the total arena of white line is covered. We were not able to implement switching from the white line to the black line, so there is a manual intervention there. And here the black line following code starts. It is very similar to the white line, only the sensor values are flipped. And here it are some conditions on when here is an additional condition for U-turn as well, because there are some intersections in the case of the black line following, and every time a block is encountered, the car tries to turn right. The name is like there's a discrepancy in the name, and here are the code for sending it to the obstacle and parking states. Starting with the obstacle detection state. Whenever there is an obstacle detected at the front of the car, it goes to the obstacle right and takes a right turn, and then it moves forward up until it detects a obstacle to the left of the car. Once it does not detect an obstacle to the left of the car, then it takes a slight left, and then it once again starts moving forward. This whole thing keeps continuing until the black line is detected. Once the black line is detected, once again the car takes right turn, so that it once again is facing the correct direction on the black line, and then it resumes the line following of the black line. And similarly, the complete arena for the black line is cleared, and then let's move back to the forward black state. And here you can see that once the car detects that there are obstacles on both sides of it, it moves on to the parking state. In the parking state, it moves forward up until the moment it detects whether there is an empty space either towards its right or left, and accordingly it takes right or left using the right or forward left states, and then it further moves forward by a slight amount so that it is appropriately placed inside the parking spot, and then it finally stops. That's all for code. Thank you. And finally, here is our Arduino code. You are simply reading the sensor values, and IR. We have used 3 IR sensors, one in the front, one in the left, and one in the right, on these pins respectively, using the digital read to get the IR values. And finally we are feeding it to the line follower main, and this is all for our Arduino code. I'll upload it to our bot. We will now move on to the live demonstration of the bot.